Hey guys, Ash Trades here. Yesterday I asked ChatGPT to create a simple and very easy mechanical trading strategy. It came up with this and then I tested it out. I tested for 3 months from May 1st to July 21st and the results, they were disappointing. This was how it ended up. But this gave me an idea to recreate the strategy. Let me explain the strategy I came up with. So we are on the 5-minute time frame. We trade ES futures. It doesn't matter what instrument or where you trade. Then you mark the high and the low of the 930 to 935 candle. So this is the 925 candle. You click here. This is the 930 to 935 candle. So you mark the high and the low. The high is there. The low is down here. And then once it breaks, you go the other direction. Your stop loss is 2 ticks above high or low of the candle that breaks the 930 candle. And you aim for a 2x every time. So risk to reward should be 2x. And you don't care about news or anything else. Very mechanical, very easy to follow. So let me show you. Here we obviously broke the high. We didn't break the low. So now we go short. Once it breaks, go the other direction. And the stop loss, 2 ticks above high or low of the candle that breaks. And here we chose the high because we broke to the upside. Then we go for a 2x and we click place order, save, and let's see what happens. This was a win, 2x, very easy, very simple. And let's go to another day just for me to explain it. 930, we broke the low down here, so we go the opposite direction, we go long. Stop loss 2 ticks below this and a 2x risk to reward ratio. We click on this, then place order, save, and let it play out. And this was another winner, like this. So very easy, very simple strategy. This was just a very simple and easy to follow explanation, I hope. Here's a quick time lapse of me doing every trade, just for the transparency, to show you that I actually did it and there is no faking in these results. I will show you at the end of the video. I'm also doing a quick explanation while I'm doing this, so I'll show you that now. And I'll also show you the strategy I used yesterday. Yes, so now I'm on live backtesting, doing the opposite of yesterday if you watched that video, where I had to basically, let me draw it out so it's easier to understand. And I'm just starting somewhere random right now when I'm explaining, so I don't know if this is a win or a loss. I haven't backtested it yet. I'm just going through it as I am. So look, okay, so yesterday's strategy was about marking the 930 5-minute candle, high and low. So basically here and here. What I was supposed to do yesterday, if it broke out over this high of this 930 candle, then I was supposed to go long with stop under the low of the 930 candle and then do a 2x like this. So this would be the strategy yesterday. If you watched the video, you know the results weren't that good. So I thought, let's try and change it up a bit and do something else. And the strategy I'm doing right now is I look for a breakout of the 930 candle, either to the downside or the upside. We broke up to the upside, so what I'm basically just doing is this next candle that breaks out, it could also be the 940 or 950 candle, just the next candle that breaks out of this range. Then I'm going the opposite way and I'm taking the high or the low as my stop loss placement. So here, because we went above this line, then I'm going short, the opposite way of yesterday. I put it 2 ticks above the high or the low of this candle, and right now we broke out here, so I'm choosing the high. It's a very small stop loss, but this is just an example. And then doing the 2x. So this is the strategy I'm doing today. Very mechanical, very easy. And it's the opposite kind of what ChatGPT told me yesterday. Let's see how it goes. Let's click on this. Place order. Save. And now the order is live. And I don't know if it was a loss or a win. Then I just go to the, let's say, the 15-second chart. Then it's a bit easier to see. Yeah, we went up here before we went down here. So this was a loss. We don't care. We just go to the next day. Click up here, go to New York session, find the price. It's up here. 925, go to the next candle. Now we see if we go above or below the high of this candle. Mark it out quickly here. We went above, so we go the opposite way. 2 ticks above this candle, because it was the high of the candle that broke out this range of the 930 candle. 2x again, place order, save, and we lost again. Go to the next day. This candle, we haven't broken out yet. We broke out there. Now we go short because we broke the high. I can just draw it if it's easier to understand then. We broke this high with this candle. 2 ticks above this candle that broke it out of the range. And we do a 2x like this. Place the order. Oh, I need to mark it properly. Like this. Save. And we go forward. And we had a winner here. So very simple strategy. I hope it's yeah, understandable. And I'll just move forward now, and then we can talk about the results in the end of the video. Yes, so here's the voiceover again. This only took me 33 minutes to backtest like 50 trades, so very fast. I would definitely recommend you use FX Replay if you are dedicated to backtesting and trading. And I would appreciate if you used my link in the description. You can also just try it out for a 5-day free trial, see if you actually like the software. Now it's time for the results. Yes, now the results for yesterday was minus 12%. It was the same days I traded, same period, and you can see minus 4% in the first month, 12 in the next, and plus 4 in July. So let's look at the results compared to this. These are the results for my strategy over the same period of time. So I actually turned it around from a minus 12% to plus 24%. Very impressive, I would say myself. And here you can see the equity curve. Very nice and balanced, and a bit worse here in the end. And the performance by month, 15% in May, 10% in June, and minus 1 in July. So these I turned around. This was minus 12, minus 4, plus 4. So I would say way better results. And here you can see the different days and how it looked. Yeah, I missed the day, the 1st of May, 26th of June. So I missed 2 days, but I looked back, it was like, yeah, not a difference at all. It was a loss and a win. So it was maybe a little bit more profit than I actually showed right here. You can also test this out yourself. I would recommend doing it on FX Replay, and you can see if you get the same results as me. My conclusion on this is that the strategy I worked out here, it is much better than what I did yesterday, directly from ChatGPT. This is a very mechanical and easy strategy to follow in my opinion. I would still say you need to backtest it a bit more, maybe for a year or 2 years, to get some more insights to this strategy, to see how far the drawdown can go, etc, etc. But overall, I like the strategy, and if you want me to test it out a bit more, I will of course do that. You can leave a comment if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe. It was Ash Trades here, and I'm out. Bye.